Good morning, everybody. Friday the 23rd. I didn't trade this morning. I took my trade last night. We had a huge sell-off in London session. Look how beautiful that is. Anyways, let's look at our levels for today. Beautiful, beautiful levels. Anybody who would trade zone to zone today, if you mark your chart up like how I mark my charts, you would have gotten some beautiful trades. Let's turn orb on. I think there was probably a nice pullback with our 15-minute range and then a nice buy if you were able to get on that. So let's turn our orb on. So again, with orb, you guys, we're looking for a break above and a close, a nice pullback, and then a push again. But also double confirmation, our zones, because look at where the orb in our zones are. A zone, the orb. Like, beautiful setup. I don't love trading Fridays. That's why I traded last night and took a small win. But yeah, great setups. And if we're just to look at naked chart trading without the orb, you're just trading zone to zone. Like, these zones are beautiful. Probably going to push back down to this zone. Maybe potentially buy up. I mean, that was a huge sell-off. So, yeah, I don't know. Typically, you guys, when we have these big sell-offs, especially pre-market, we don't do too much. We do a lot of chop back and forth, back and forth. But even if you got in on that orb, it looks like a significant price move. Let's turn orb back on one more time. Let's put it in replay mode really quick. So replay mode, let's say we saw... Okay, we saw the breakout, right? We're on the chart, we're waiting. This is our 15-minute orb. We saw the breakout, we're waiting for a pullback. So we see it pull back in this next candle. I don't know why my computer's lagging, sorry guys. Okay, so we could front run this. It's in our zone. Front run it, get in for a buy, and then just go to the next zone, be trailing very tightly. Okay, we front run it, we get in. It probably does take us into drawdown with that wick, which is fine because we're going to hold to our zone. And then I would take profit probably right there, but it opens up right into our zone and then pushes down. That's how you have to read these candles. If you guys don't know how to read candles, let me know. I'll try to make a video on it. But say we got in, you know, we were front running this. So we were in somewhere probably right here. We took this all the way back up to our zone. It's like a 45-point move. So solid trade if you traded the orb today. If you guys need any clarification on anything I'm talking about, let me know in the comments. Again, happy to help answer anything you guys might be struggling with your trading journey. Still stuck in this zone. So if you're currently trading right now and you see this video, look at this zone. Make sure you guys pay attention to this. I could see us pushing down. I haven't looked at SPX today. Let's see what SPX is doing. Big sell-off, London session. We still have room on SPX also. ES, MES, whatever you guys want to call this. I know I confuse some of you when I say SPX, but definitely have room to the bottom side. There's definitely liquidity lying here. So specific questions, drop them in the comments.